Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Super fast NVIDIA update. We had this confirmed double, not triggered because no close below it. Still no close. Gap up, turning into a triple top and closing down, but it never triggered and it became a triple top. Just wanted to update this video real quick because those levels are no longer valid. That is not to say that it cannot not sell off, so it can still sell off even without presence of a double. However, those levels are not valid. So what I would be watching for now, we have the rotation zone, we have this little support ledge right here coming in around 217.50. You start getting close below there, start watching for the bigger pullback. It then goes into a clear path move with an eventual target all the way down here around the 195 area. But my first target, if we did close below the daily rotation zone, actually, yeah, we start getting close below there, you might find some minor support around let's see, that's 214.50. I just actually wait for a close below. We're at 217.50. I'd actually wait for a close below about 214.50. If we got a close below 214.50, we'd be into this really nice, again, clear path. We'd also then have closed into the weekly rotation zone. Then I'd be targeting this 208 level, then 201. And if we went through 201, we're looking at about 194 as the next target. That would be all the way to the other side of the rotation zone. But the higher probability targets would be the 208 and 201. That's if we break down from this daily rotation zone. Now remember, this was severely overbought. And so far, I'm considering this a sideways correction. The rotation zone's catching up. Yeah, it's pulled back into the rotation zone, but it required the rotation zone moving up to this sideways correction. If I were to mark this off for people and just show you, even take away the rotation zone and just show you this, people would say, oh, it's just like a horizontal channel. And if we call it a horizontal channel, then it's essentially a sideways correction. So if I took off the rotation zone and you just saw this, you'd say, yeah, that's just a horizontal channel. And that's the exact definition of working off an overbought condition by moving sideways. And triple tops still slightly favor, slightly, by 1 or 2 percentage points only, a continuation move. That's why I'd be really focusing on this bottom of the rotation zone, and especially into the daily or the weekly rotation zone. If that were to break, then we'd start watching for the bigger pullback. Otherwise, it's still in this trading range. So, and this is why, also on a daily, if you want a little pre-warning sign, if we do get a close below about this 221 area, a daily close, then I'd really be focusing I'd really keep an eye out for that daily close below the rotation zone. But that would be my first warning sign, because then that would be the lowest close. I mean, we had a close back on the 26th of August, but you see how nicely this channel's forming. That would be the first warning sign. We already closed right at the bottom. So if this can't hold, and we've had buyers stepping in, and we had the broad market rally come back. I mean, it was deeply oversold today. The NASDAQ didn't bounce as hard on a percentage basis, but the S&P bounced pretty hard. So, and the NASDAQ did close up today, and with Nvidia closing down. So that's why I'm keeping a close eye on this for potential weakness. If we do get NASDAQ weakness and Nvidia's breaking down, keep an eye on it very closely. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.